So welcome all of you in our YouTube channel Electrical Appliances Knowledge World, and in this video we will discuss about the difference between electrical engineering and electronics engineering and the electrical devices and electronic devices, and we will also discuss the similarity between electrical devices and electronic devices. So we start our video session. In this video, we will discuss about the what is electrical devices, what are the electronics devices, and difference between both of them, electrical and electronics devices, and different electrical devices which is used in household work, and different types of electronics devices which is used in household work. So basically, what is an electrical device? So electrical device is a device which contain resistor, capacitor and inductor with flowing current in a closed loop circuit, like motor, generator, transformer, etc. are the example of electrical devices. As and what is the electronic devices? Electronic devices are devices which is used to control the current in a given circuit for our desirable condition in terms and controlling of voltage at a given circuit as per the requirement. So there are following difference between electrical and electronic devices on the basis of voltage. Electrical devices are operated at a high voltage, but electronic devices are operated at a low voltage like 12 to 25 volt. But electrical devices has no limit at starting 240 volt and maximum amount 3 phase, but transform has more than high voltage level compared to other devices which is used in industrial level. And a transformer is a voltage step up and step down device which is used to step up and step down the voltage as per the requirement, as per the need of a company, of a distributor, on the basis of current flow in the circuit or any given system. In electrical devices, large amount of current flow through a circuit, but in electronic devices, a small amount of current flow through a circuit. In electrical devices, we consider different types of motor, different types of generator and transformer and other types of electrical devices. And in household work, we consider freezer, cooler, ceiling fan, etc. types of electrical devices. But in electronics, we will discuss about the different types of transistor like UJT, VJT, FET and MOSFET as per the requirement of this transistors, and different types of amplifiers, oscillator which is used to amplify the signal and create or generate AC pulse and other types of pulse. So there are many types of electrical devices which are used in household work, and these are following. And this type of electrical devices will operate at a 240 volt and 3 phase supply 400 volt. These devices are ceiling fan, electric cooler, bulbs, etc. are the example of electrical devices which is used in household work. Different types of electronics devices which is used at household work. These are different types of remote like AC and TV and mobile chargers, and our mobile phone is included in this category also. In electrical devices, we use copper wires, aluminum wires and other different wires to ensure the continuity in the circuit, which is useful to operate the circuit. But in electronics devices, we also use conductors, aluminum and copper, with semiconductor devices like transistor, diodes and other types of semiconductor device. And semiconductor device is generally made of silicon, germanium and arsen. In the following image, we will show many devices which is used at our daily life, and these devices are PC, different types of sensor, remotes, phone, camera, etc. are the example of electronics devices which is used at our day. In the following image, we will discuss about various electrical devices which is used at our household work. And in this image, we will discuss about many devices which is included in both electrical and electronics devices. Like a speaker is both electrical and electronic devices, which is because there we use transformer to reduce the or step down the voltage and IC to operate the speaker. But electrical drill is a completely electrical device which is used to hole in a wall. And there are many other devices which is used at household work. These are electrical fan, washing machine, oven, torch, electric bulb and vacuum cleaner and other types of electrical devices and electronic devices which is used as at household work. And in this image there are two types of devices included, electrical and electronics, and both electrical and electronics. So send your feedback in comment box which device is electrical and which device is electronic and which is included in both. So thank you for watching our video, and like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and provide your positive comment on comment box.